Oh no, this retail grocery outlet is showing me more than 10 incentive SQ recommendations. I should call Kanav sir and ask him what to do in this case. Good afternoon, Kanav sir. This retail grocery outlet is showing me more than 10 incentive SQ recommendations. Please let me know the reason for the same and how can I fix it. Yes, you are right. I am seeing this for the first time. Let us go to Guruji and he will teach us what to do. Open your eyes. What happened? Let me help you. Guruji, one retail grocery outlet of my DS is showing more than 10 incentive SQ recommendations. Please let us know what to do ahead. Don't worry, I will help you. But let's understand why this problem happens. This happens when an outlet is tagged to two or more DSs with the same OCG. OCG is Outlet Classification Group. For example, an outlet is tagged to Grocery 2 DS as well as Chemist Cosmetic DS. It can impact your recommendations and targets. Let me show you how to fix this double mapping issue. Open SIFY and click on Masters. Then click on Party. After that, click on Customer. From here, choose Modify Customer. Here, you have to enter the customer details. You can add the customer details via name or by typing in the customer ID. Please ensure both the details are correct. Here we can see that the outlet is mapped to many beats, or we can say it is mapped to many DSs. Remove the beat which is not correct. Click on save and now the outlet will be mapped to the right DS. But don't forget, the deadline to do this is 28th of every month.
Subscribe to our channel Pace Gurukul to stay in touch with Guruji and his Gyan about Vajra.